Hey guys, today I want to share a tip with you on how to have a little bit more coverage. Our Daylight Tinted Moisturizer is a great way to get some even skin tone and a little bit of tint to pick you up in the morning. But if you're looking for a little bit more full coverage, I'm going to share with you my little tip on how to do that. So what I do is I just get a little bit of my Daylight Moisturizer after I did steps 1 through 3. So I do Rebalance, Reveal Peel Pads, then I do Youthful, and then I do my Daylight. So this is step 4. So I get a little bit of my Daylight, and I take the matching shade of concealer that comes with our eye treatment system. You can also buy this a la carte separately, and I just put just a teeny tiny little bit, like that much. I don't know if you can really see, but I just put a tiny amount in. Let me just get this lid on. And so what I do is I spread it in between my hands just like normal, but I make sure I kind of mix the concealer and the Daylight together. And then I press it in and I kind of concentrate on any areas that I want more full coverage. And I just blend it into my skin. Sometimes I even close my eyes so I can kind of get a little bit of color on my eye. That's attractive faces I'm making for you guys here. Put out for the world to see. And that is it. So if you are needing a little bit more full coverage from your skincare regimen, this is a great way to get a really natural, more full coverage look. So again, that's our Daylight Tinted Moisturizer and our Daylight Tinted Concealer. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, please comment below and let me know, and I'll get back to you and answer any of your questions. And if you'd like to buy these 2 products, you can buy both of these in sets. This comes in our Pure Results regimen, and this comes in our eye treatment system if you want to get a bunch of products and save some money, or you can buy these separately. So again, here you go. You can see it again. It's Daylight Tinted Moisturizer and Daylight Tinted Concealer. All right, you guys, have a great day. Bye.